Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. You can see that in our first program we have a few lines that are blank, such as line 3, line 7, line 9, 12, 13 and more. These blank lines, they are known as white space and they don't have any effect on the program. Having more white space doesn't change anything in the program, so we can add more lines or remove lines. Lines are basically for readability and helps you make the program readable and easy to understand. We can also add more space between each word. Let's add more space, 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 and more space. And as such, there can be more space. And all of these spaces are considered blank space. Let's go and run the program. You can see that our program hasn't changed a bit. It's because blank space doesn't have any effect on the program. Now let's close this program and go and add some spaces between the codes. Now let's go and run the program. You can see that there is some added space between the text. If we add blank space in between codes, it always has an effect on the program. The codes in this program is an indicator of a string. An added white space in a string make a difference for the string. But let's not focus on that too much and just remember that white space doesn't have any effect on the program. That's it for this episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching. That's all for this video. If you want to show your support,